Imagine yourself in this 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include AM/FM stereo, driver airbag, pass-through rear seat, rear head airbag, GVWR 6,900 pounds, 3130 kilograms, STD, split bench seat, traction control, front side airbag, and rear bench seat. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.